Hello everyone and welcome to Bullet Journaling with Eva. Today we will do a monthly setup for the month of July, and we will set up 3 spreads together that are all decorated with jellyfish. So let's go straight to the materials. You will need a bullet journal. I am using this one from Tefauci. Then I will use these 3 aquarelle pencils, and here you can see all the barcodes for these aquarelle pencils from Faber-Castell. Then I will use white and purple Ohuhu acrylic markers. Then I will use a brush and water for those pencils. And then this dual tip marker in purple. And as well a washi tape and X-Acto knife for some details I will show you later. And then this circle ruler for my habit tracker. So let's put everything aside and start with this monthly setup. This is my mid-year setup. If you missed it, I will link it here so you can check it out. I'm still working on my celestial theme of this year, so this mid-year setup is also based on that celestial theme. Now let's draw a jellyfish for my cover page. You will start with a bell-like shape and then just add waves with the darkest color that you choose. I am working with 2 blue shades and 1 purple shade. Then you will add these shadows with the darkest blue. And then around the darkest blue, I will use this purple and then I will fill it in completely and go over with the lightest blue. Then I will add wavy tentacles and add little decorative lines on them. And I will fill in these tentacles with light blue. And then in between, I will add these purple tentacles that are a little bit shorter. After that, I will take water and I will mix those colors together. Look how wonderful this looks. For me, it literally evokes the cosmos or space when I see these colors. And I'm really happy with how those colors work together. Of course, I tested them before I even filmed this monthly setup. Now, while we are waiting for this to dry, I will take my ruler and I am going to draw my calendar on the right side of this spread. Here you can see that I am working alongside with I'm filming it, and of course I will make a mistake here. And this is where I find out that I miscalculated it by 1 dot. So I will move it this way, but later I will get rid of these dots with my acrylic white marker. And now I will just draw a calendar, just like a simple table. And I will fill it in with numbers or dates, and then I will cross out the days that are not included in this month. I will start with Tuesday as July starts with it. And I will end with Thursday as July's end date. And then I will just cross out the days that are not included in this month. After that, I will just write down some important dates. You can also use this part of the page for your weekly actions, but I decided to write my weekly actions in my tracker spread. And now again, I will do exact same thing I did on my cover page. I am just drawing 2 little jellyfish around the calendar. And then I will take water and blend these colors nicely together. After that, I will add outlines with darkest blue. And then I will take a white acrylic marker and I will add a moon and some stars to decorate my jellyfish. So it looks like a little cosmos. It's still celestial. And then with the purple acrylic brush marker, I will write down the title July and add some more stars around the jellyfish. And here is my cover page done. I'm just adding some small white details and that's all. Now let's work on my trackers. I will start by creating little calendars at the bottom part of my page for my habit trackers. I will add 6 habits that I want to track, and 3 of them are going to be on the left page and 3 of them are going to be on the right page. I will also write these habits right away, as you can see me doing now. And after that, I will just finish drawing the calendars on the right side as well. And now the calendars are done. I will write down all of my weekly actions that I want to include. There are always some related to cleaning our apartment and also washing clothes and watering plants, and some chores that I am doing on a weekly basis. And then, with acrylic brush marker, I will write down titles. And after that, I will use washi tape and an X-Acto knife to make some wonderful edges around my weekly actions. When I will be coloring in this jellyfish that I'm just drawing, I will not color in that part where I already have these circles for completing my chores. And now I will do the same on the first page. I will draw my jellyfish, color them in, and now with the circle ruler, I will add some different size circles and some small circles inside of them and mark each day for my mood tracker. After I am done with that, I will just add a legend to it and write down what mood is represented by which color. And then I will assign colors to each mood. And after that, I will just add some small details with the white acrylic marker, and the tracker spread is also done. I will just check if everything is dry and move to my last spread. As always, I am including my grateful for spread to write down what I am grateful for each day. And I will decorate it just a little bit at the bottom right part of my spread. Just some small tentacles of jellyfish and that's it. Now, let's look back what we have created together. Here you can see my cover page. I really like how these 3 colors work together. And I really like that this is a calendar that is on one page, but still there is enough space to write down everything. Then here I have my mood trackers, my weekly actions, and at the bottom I have my habit trackers. All the trackers are on one spread. We will see what this looks like when I color it in. Maybe there's going to be too much on that page, but I will find out. And at the end I have my grateful for spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you are enjoying bullet journaling, please subscribe to this channel. Help me grow my channel and support me in creating these spreads so you can watch them. And please, leave me a comment down below what is your theme for the July setup. I will see you next Friday. Bye!